Hey guys, on today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept a referral from somebody. So to get that 15% off any app from Meta Horizon. So whether they share with you that link over a text message, maybe you guys just copy it. Maybe you guys found one of my videos and you want to apply it. Then just go to that link. All right, so in this case, I got it over text message. So I can just open up that link and just try to open up that link in your web browser. It's just going to take you to your Meta Horizon app. So it's going to open up your Meta Horizon app, and this is what it's going to say. Get 15% off whatever app or game you guys got as a code from your friends. So right now, you guys can see that it's Batman for this particular one. It could be another game for you guys. And all you guys have to do is just tap on claim discount. It's 15% off. Then tap on OK. Then go ahead and buy the game. So right now we're going to buy that game. So let's go and just get Batman. So on the bottom right hand side, we're going to see $67.99. Tap on it. And then it should take us to a page where we can pay for this. So right here, you guys should see your discount. With bigger games, the bigger discount, obviously. So right now, as you can see, the promotion is $10 discount, which is something at least. So again, you guys can see that promotion applied. It says 1, friend 15. That's exactly it. It used to be 25% before. Right now, they dropped it to 15. Then payment method down here below, it should say something like Quest Cash if you guys have any Quest Cash. And then go ahead and tap on confirm on the bottom. Once you do that, it should say confirm your purchase. And there you go. It should say add it to your library in VR. So right now, you can actually do this referral to somebody else. So you guys can give somebody else this referral. So you guys can just tap on refer a friend. And right here is the code you guys can share with your friends so they can have those 15% off. But at this point in time, all you guys have to do is just turn on your VR. Okay, so your Meta Quest, turn it on and download the game. But technically right now you just bought it. All you guys have to do is just fully download it on your Meta Quest. And that would be it for today's video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.